I bet you didn't know these finance tips could change your life. I'm sure you've heard the buzz. The UK budget 2024 is just around the corner. Let's get ahead of the curve. First up, check your current expenses. It's like cleaning out your fridge before a big shop. You need to know what you've got and what you need. Next, consider setting up an emergency fund. Think of it as your financial seatbelt, keeping you safe when the road gets bumpy. Don't forget to review your investments. Make sure they're in line with your goals and risk tolerance. Diversify if you haven't already. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Lastly, stay informed. Follow trusted financial news sources and keep an eye on government announcements. Knowledge is power, folks. So there you have it. 4 simple tips to get you budget ready. Stay savvy and smart, and you'll be set to navigate whatever the budget 2024 throws your way. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more finance tips. Catch you next time.